Wow. I'm here with my most loyal and my pickiest client, my mom. Mama Tere. You guys, this is a big deal because this is my first time using Matrix on my mom, and I have 100% faith that you're gonna love Matrix, and Matrix is going to give you 100% coverage because we hate gray hair. We hate.
I don't like it when I have my hair done.
Yeah.
Like 2 days later, I see the gray. I start to see it
Okay.
here in this area, and I just, ooh, no.
So the coverage has to be 100%.
Yes.
We are gonna do SoColor. I 100% guarantee that there will be great coverage,
Yes.
100% coverage.
I love it.
And it's gonna give you some shine, and it's gonna give you lasting power, and we're gonna, I don't want a text of you saying you can still see gray hair. Okay, so today we're gonna use SoColor. So SoColor is gonna give you 100% coverage, and it's gonna give you a beautiful shine, and then we're going to then do a gloss. We're gonna use Super Sync for that. Super Sync is gonna give you even more shine, but we're gonna do the SoColor first because this is the most important thing. And today we're using the 505 in neutral with a little touch of 4M. The part where it's around the hairline, that recession line in front, if you miss that part, or if you leave like a little, you know, little peak right there, you might as well not have done it at all.
And this is the part that you see first when it's not full colors.
Because everything like right here, I feel like you see first,
But I hear
especially
more.
there. Yeah,
It's in this area.
yeah. We are now glossing with Super Sync 6 Warm Neutral and 6 Mocha. Because we love that deliciousness. And I'm gonna white tooth comb it. I feel like that now, because this is gray hair, what I love about Super Sync is that it's pre-bonded, so you're gonna feel and see the difference in your ends because of all that freaking bonding beautifulness technology stuff. It just changes your hair, and I feel like it leaves it shinier. Okay, everything is saturated. We're gonna give it 20 minutes, and everything should be processed all at the same time. We're gonna do a blow dry, and I'm gonna show you Mama Tere's beautiful shiny hair. Okay, Mom, the color's looking good. Even though it's wet, I can tell it is gonna be fire. But first we need to style you, and I'm gonna use the new Mega Sleek, which is 96-hour top coat. They say allegedly 96 hours, but I need you to message me about your color and about the Frizz Control. Oh, it's not creamy. It's like more like a oil, isn't it? And it smells really good too. So I'm gonna run this through first, and then I think I'm gonna give you a little bit of mousse because we like, well, maybe a little bit of mousse, right?
Yes.
Because you
One
like a little
body,
bit of something.
yes.
Yeah. Here, do this with the mousse, okay? Here, do this with the mousse. And I'm gonna apply it right there on the crown area. It smells really good too. Look at your next. Why not? Okay, we're all done. It was really quick actually, just about an hour and a half, and Mama Tere is nice and shiny. You can already see that from the back, but now we're gonna do the big reveal because we like the drama. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, sexy mama. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Love you,
thank
Mom.
Thank you, thank you. I always say thank you for making me beautiful.